Are you looking to enhance your sprint retrospectives and streamline your team's workflow? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use teamwork.com to make your retrospectives more effective and efficient. Whether you're new to the software or simply seeking to improve how you run your sprints, this video will give you exactly what you need. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal a secret bonus offer to get started with Teamwork for free, plus a few pro tips to maximize your experience. Teamwork.com is an all-in-one project management platform designed to help teams collaborate, plan, and execute projects with ease. When it comes to sprint retrospectives, Teamwork can be a game changer. The platform allows you to organize all aspects of your sprint, track progress, and gather insights for continuous improvement. To kick things off, Teamwork offers a powerful project management setup. You can create a specific project for each sprint where your team can add tasks, set milestones, and track progress throughout the cycle. But when it's time for the retrospective, you'll be using some key features to facilitate reflection and improvement. First, start by setting up a retrospective task list. This is where you'll collect all the items your team wants to discuss. You can break it down into different sections like what went well, what could be improved, and action items. Each of these sections can be its own task, and you can assign team members to each one for better accountability. This simple but structured approach gives everyone a clear idea of what needs to be discussed. Next, make use of Teamwork's discussion feature. During the retrospective meeting, your team can add comments directly to tasks, keeping all feedback and ideas in one place. This ensures no one's voice is missed and provides a detailed record of what was discussed. It's perfect for teams that want to keep track of feedback across multiple sprints. One of the standout features of Teamwork.com for sprint retrospectives is its ability to set follow-up actions. After identifying what worked well and what didn't, you can assign tasks directly to team members for implementation in the next sprint. Teamwork allows you to track these tasks' progress, ensuring that action items are actually completed and improvements are made in future sprints. Don't forget to use the time tracking tool within Teamwork. By monitoring how long each task takes during the sprint, you can analyze whether your team is overburdened or underutilized. This data is invaluable when reflecting on team performance and optimizing workflows for the next sprint. Another great feature is the ability to share files and documents directly within tasks. If you have any retrospective reports or data you want to analyze, you can upload and share them with the team in real time. No more switching between apps to gather information. Everything is stored within Teamwork for easy access. Now, for the fun part. Teamwork integrates with many third-party tools. So if you're already using software like Slack, you can bring that right into your retrospective process. For example, you can automate task creation from Slack messages or use integrations to sync data with your other project management tools, saving you even more time. Finally, to keep your team engaged and encourage participation, Teamwork's visual tools like Gantt charts and task boards can make retrospectives more interactive. Visualizing the sprint cycle and progress in a simple and clean format can help your team grasp complex information and make it easier to identify areas for improvement. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can start using teamwork.com for completely free through the first link below. But that's not all. If you sign up today, you'll get exclusive bonuses that will enhance your experience. You'll be able to maximize the full potential of Teamwork. And as a new user, you'll also be able to access an extended free trial of the software. So, to summarize, setting up a retrospective task list, using discussions and file sharing, assigning action items, and tracking time can make your sprint retrospectives more focused and productive. And with Teamwork's integrations and visual tools, you can further enhance your team's collaboration and performance. Make sure to hit that link below to start your free trial and claim your bonuses. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your team's workflow.